Today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. So before that, we're going to be doing one experiment to check if these eggs are fresh or not. Take a full bowl of water. So if the egg sinks, that means it's good to eat. If the egg is floats, that means it's a bad to eat. So now we're going to see if these eggs sink or float. Looks like this egg sinked. No. And looks like this egg sinked too. So that means these two eggs are good to eat. Now we're gonna go to make our scrambled eggs. So now take the two eggs out of the bowl, put them in a plate. Take one bowl for scrambled eggs and I'll put the egg in here, and I'll take this egg. Now we're gonna mix. Now let's add some seasoning. Now let's mix again. Now let's microwave it for 30 seconds. I just microwaved it for 30 seconds, so now we're gonna mix it again. Here, I'm gonna add a little butter. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now, I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Let's mix again. Now the scrambled egg is ready. Now this yummy breakfast is ready to serve. This is the end of my video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe. Bye!